Hi, I'm Jeff Moisen with Keller Williams Home Group Realty. Aside from Guelph, all of our local markets incurred price drops throughout the month of June. Guelph has a very slight price increase, but that doesn't tell the full story. I'll discuss this further, but first let's look at some of the key metrics for all of our local markets relative to July of last year. In Guelph, the median sale price was $744,000, up by 0.5%. The median days to sell was 23 days, up by 35%. The total number of listings was 365, which is down by 21.5%, and the total number of sales was 159, down by 25%. For the Tri-Cities, in Kitchener, the median sale price was $690,000, down by 6.8%. In Waterloo, it was $681,000, down by 5.4%. And in Cambridge, it was $685,000, down by 5.2%. Guelph's market held steady in July with prices slightly up, but a noticeable drop in sales and fewer listings suggest a slower movement overall. Homes are taking longer to sell, and buyers appear to be more cautious, creating a balanced market where strategy matters on both sides. Kitchener's market is holding steady with a slight dip in prices, but a rise in home sales, indicating growing buyer engagement despite affordability challenges. Stable inventory levels and a manageable increase in selling times suggest a balanced market with signs of buyer re-entry. Waterloo's market saw a noticeable slowdown in July, with prices down and sales falling from last year. New listings rose by 16%, adding more choices for buyers, while homes are taking significantly longer to sell, with days on market up by 78.6%. With more inventory and slower buyer activity, the market remains balanced, but leans in favor of those ready to negotiate. Cambridge showed subtle signs of stability in July, with sales rising 8% even as prices dipped by about 5.2% from last year. Homes are taking longer to sell, and new listings were down slightly, suggesting that there are fewer sellers entering the market. With steady buyer activity and manageable inventory levels, the market remains balanced, offering opportunity for both buyers looking for value and sellers who price strategically. If you're thinking about buying or selling before the end of the year, feel free to reach out to me. I'll help you navigate the market with confidence. Thanks a lot for joining me, and have a great day.